Hey there, crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is such a good educational video. I think every small crafty business should really listen to from beginning to end because I'm going to be giving you all the details that you need to start your own cup business. Or maybe you want to start adding cups to your crafty small business. Or maybe you just want to get some of these cups for fun to craft and learn how to do tutorials. So regardless, you're going to learn a lot, trust me. So in the market, there are so many different types of cups, and it's true what they say, it's not really a one size fits all because many different glass cups do many different things. There's some that you could etch on, there's some that you could put permanent vinyl on, there's some that you could sublimate on, some that you can't really do much on, you know? So I'm here to really break it down to you guys. For today's video, we're going to break it down by category. And by the way, with every single one of these vendors I have personally bought from for my small business. So for me to choose and speak about this publicly online, it's truly because I have 1000% trust with them and they are amazing, and I want you guys to be able to experience this as well. Okay, so we're gonna start off with Libby's. Libby's are very popular, so let's move some things over here so we can talk about it. I'm starting with my favorite and the best of the best, if that makes sense. I wish I knew about the brand Libbey glass cans when I first started my small business. I didn't know about them. So I was personally using a very cheaper type of glass cup when I first started. But of course, once you start that small business and you start getting excited and you really want good reviews and you want your customers, of course, to have the best quality. By the way, the better the quality, the better you could charge. Remember that. So you start learning things, and that's exactly what happened to me. So Libbey, it's not a specific glass, it's the actual company. They make multiple millions of different styles of glassware, cookware, things like that. So it's the brand. Libbey is the brand. But there's two specific sizes that's very popular and very high demand in the craft world. So there's a Libbey 266, which is a 20-ounce Libbey glass can, right? And then there's a Libbey 209, which is the most popular, which is a 16-ounce glass can. Now, listen to what I tell you. I know we always start to go with what we feel safer, right? So usually every crafter will always start with a 16 ounce, which is great. Go ahead and start with that. But always have room for growth, because you'd be surprised in my small business how many of my returning customers would contact me and tell me, Annie, do you have anything bigger than this 16 ounce? That's when I started venturing into the 266. I don't think the 266 model has enough height for what it should, because it's amazing. It's really slender, just more cup, right? And obviously it's really good for us small business owners because we could charge more. You're not going to charge the same price for a 16 ounce and a 20 ounce. Remember that. So how do we get these? Because as you guys have probably tried already, you cannot just call Libbey the brand, like the actual corporation, and can I just buy just one case? They're going to immediately say no. They're going to ignore you. They don't really sell to us small crafty business owners. So when I first started, I remember I learned about the brand and I actually bought a cup that was a Libbey, and I was like, wow, this is such a heavy glass. This is such good, thick quality. And then I remember that I did what everybody else does, right? We go on Amazon.com and we go and we search Libbey case. And then I found one. It was an actual Libbey case, a 2091. And I thought the price was kind of high, but I didn't know anything better. So I went ahead and I purchased it. But when it came to my house, I later found out many years later that that was a fake Libbey. I cannot believe that there's companies out there doing fake Libbeys and selling them as Libbey. Honestly, it makes no sense. It's just glass cups, but it makes no sense to me. But it was a fake Libbey box. It was ridiculous. So this is what I ended up doing. Got like a really good idea from my fiance, and he told me we live in Miami, Florida. There's millions of different like restaurant supply chain companies, right? So I went ahead and I Googled, you know, restaurant supply company near me, right? And I remember there was like a whole bunch that popped up. First two, I remember that I called them and they were kind of like looking at me crazy because I was just asking for one box because I didn't know, you know, like if there's a limit, or I didn't really know that I was going to sell them all. So I remember there was a lot of companies that they will kind of give me like the cold shoulder and tell me, no, we don't really do this. We only sell, you know, in big quantities to like cruises. I'm sorry, we don't do that, blah, blah, blah. Okay. But that did not stop me there. I kept on calling. I was super persistent. I ended up finding one here locally in Doral, Florida, and they were able to sell it to me. And they told me, absolutely. They gave me the price. They told me you could pick it up or we could ship it to you. Obviously, if we have to ship it to you, we have to to charge them shipping because the box is pretty heavy, right? Since they were so local, I told them, no, I want to avoid shipping costs. You know, I will definitely go and pick it up. I went with Oscar and they gave me this exact case right here. So the Libbey 209s come in a fairly large case because they come with 24 of them in here. But remember, when you purchase this, it doesn't come with all of this nice accessories. It only comes with the cup alone. Now, I'm going to tell you guys how much I paid for it in that restaurant supply. It was only $40, okay? And I remember going on Amazon and they were charging so much more money for it. And I'm like, but how is it cheaper going through them? It makes no sense, right? I used them for a pretty long time until my business started booming. So I was kind of like bothering them every 2-3 days and I kept on needing more and more and more. But of course, as a first-time small business owner, I was scared to go and just buy like, I don't know, 20 cases. I was really nervous about it. And they kind of like lacked some communication and I was kind of like depending on them a little bit too much. So I went ahead and I tried again to reach out to another local place. And that is what led me to my #1 vendor, which is somewhere here local here in Miami, Florida. But it was like an hour drive for me. I asked them if I could give their information to all of you, but they told me that they wouldn't be able to because they don't have the power for it. It's true what the owner told me. She even told me to tell you guys, always check your local restaurant supply companies. You'd be surprised how much they would appreciate your business there, okay? I was paying even less money for my one case. That last vendor I had that I stayed with, she would charge me only $32 per case. Do the math, guys. 24 glass Libbey original cans for $32. I mean, that is insane. Profit margin is where it's at. And you will learn with time, or I will teach you that profit is a lot. We gotta see where our money is going when it comes to all of these supplies that we're needing, right? Well, the 266, these are the 20 ounces. They don't come in a pack of 24. They come in a pack of 12. Surprisingly, Libby's aren't that expensive. Just people don't know this. And I'm here to share it to you guys because I want you guys to be successful and I want you guys to have profit. Now, our last option is buying them online. Again, I don't want you guys going through Amazon because all they're gonna do is sell you some imitation Libby's and you're gonna end up paying arm and a leg. So I have tried different websites for the purpose of my TikTok and showing all of you, and the only one that I always felt that had the best and the most fair prices was a website called Caffeine. I'm probably saying it wrong, but I'm gonna type it for you right here. I have continuously used that website over and over again when they were too busy for me here. I have personally used that website many times because the only bad thing about my local vendor is that they're closed for the whole summer. And that was kind of crazy for me. Sometimes I would have to go ahead and purchase online. Of course, now, when it comes to Caffeine, this is online. So we do have to pay shipping. But I think that their shipping is very fair. They fulfill the orders extremely fast. The shipping I thought was super fair. Say that you're buying, I don't know, like 4 cases. Shipping for me will only be like $20-something for 4 cases of these heavy, heavy cups. So let's please do a recap. To save the best money when it comes to Libby's is to first find out if you have anything near you, a restaurant supply chain store near you. Then number 2, of course, you could venture out to trying to purchase it online in craftroom.com. That's the one that I recommend. Maybe you guys could find a different one that works good for you too, but the quality of the Caffeine ones will always came good because I did use a different company once and almost all of my glasses came with scratches. It was just bad quality. You could just tell that they were really rough in their warehouse, but the Caffeine ones, all of my Libby's came perfect. I remember because I used to have my mom and Oscar always checking every single Libbey before I would put my vinyl on them, like what you see here. This is incredible. They're all perfect. There's no scratches. There's no imperfections. So yeah. And now we need to talk about the bamboo lids. I've been through a lot when it comes to finding the perfect combination of the perfect bamboo lid that's actually good quality, fits the perfect glass straw. I know that this sounds so simple, but trust me when I tell you it's not. Every bamboo is made different on Amazon. Every glass straw is a little bit thicker or too long or too short. So trust me, I went through it all. I think I ordered over like 20 different styles and combinations until I finally found the right one. And I'll never forget telling Oscar, the day I have this together and I'm done ripping my hair out is the day that I'm going to share it to the world, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. So with that said, on my Amazon storefront, I made like a whole section thing that we're going to be talking about when it comes to the Libby's, the Libbey dupes, the bamboo lids, the colored straws. Because make sure to check out my links for everything in my description down below. Don't worry, I will have everything organized for you. Here is another problem. The Libbey 266 to 20 ounces are obviously way taller than the 16 ounce. I never liked the way that the 16 ounce straws that I found looked in here. Actually, I'm going to show you because it looks so short that it doesn't even look right. You see, like that doesn't look good, right? So I found the straws that are way longer. I actually found them in straight and bended because you'd be surprised. A lot of small business owners like the bended straws or the straight straws. Everybody has their own preference, but this is exactly how they should be looking like. So again, I will organize everything for you when it comes to size for 266, 209 for colors. So this is actually where I hold all of my colored glass straws. So every time that I'm doing custom orders or I'm fulfilling orders and they request or they add on a colored straw, this is how I have them organized. I think I picked this up on Amazon, but it's really nice because it has little dividers in here. But here are some of the colors. I'm going to show you up close and personal. Don't worry. Okay, that was a mouthful, but now it's time to talk about a Libbey dupe. Okay, believe it or not, when I first started my business, I used these exact cups right here. I still have 2 cases of them. These are the ones that you can find on Amazon. You know, they're obviously not the same as a Libbey, but they're very darn close to it. And what I did like about this Amazon combo is that it came already with a bamboo lid and the glass straw. 2 things that are different though. Obviously, the bamboo lid is good, but it's not as great as mine are, obviously. And also for the glass straws, they're very thick. I personally feel like it's more for like boba teas type of thing, but people love it and people still bought from me all the time. So I'm not complaining, you know? Like obviously, if you're touching these hand in hand, you'll notice the quality. This one's way lighter than the Libbey. Obviously, you know, you tap it and you can kind of hear the difference. Watch. This is way thicker, but these are great for my beginners. Maybe for some of you who don't even want to start a small business right now, you just want to practice, get this. It's a great price. It comes in different quantities. Like I think it comes in 4, 8, and 12, I think it is. If you ever have any problems with them, you can always return and exchange it, which is a great thing. Now, moving on to one of my favorite type of cups. This is for sublimation, okay? This is a little bit different because I need you guys to know when it comes to Libbey cups, you cannot sublimate on these cups. Libbey cups are for things like what I did here for permanent vinyl. You could etch on Libbey cups, which is amazing and it's beautiful. I actually love doing the combination of etching and putting like outlines of permanent vinyl. It's beautiful. And you could, of course, put those UV DTF wraps over it. You could purchase those anywhere online or even in store, like in Michael's and Hobby Lobby. But you cannot sublimate on Libbeys because Libbeys are original glass. They don't have any chemicals on them. These are the ones that are made for sublimation. With these, you cannot etch it at all. It will not work. You could put permanent vinyl, but I don't really see a purpose of that because if you bought this, I'm sure it's for sublimating more than anything. So there's a lot of different companies out there in the craft world that they have done their own sublimation Libbey glass cans imitations. And a lot of them, I feel like their sublimation coating is not as good. This one is absolutely beautiful. These are the ones I continuously order over and over again. This is from the brand PYD Life. You can find them on Amazon or on their website, but I always purchase them from Amazon. Again, I'm going to have this link for you. Don't you worry. I know this is a lot of information, but I'm going to have everything organized for you in my description below. Don't worry. These don't come with colored glass straws like this one, but they do come with their bamboo lid and it comes with a plastic straw, a clear plastic straw, which still looks really nice. I feel like this is also a really great thing for the crafters who want to get into sublimation, or maybe you're crafting for fun, a whole bunch of these for any Christmas gifts or teachers gifts. I do this every single year for my son's teachers, for all of them and for the whole main office, and they love it. Now, last but not least, we're going to talk about these beautiful glass mugs. It's very special because we're not just talking about the glass mugs, we're talking about wholesalers, which is very important. Wholesale purchases is not for everybody. I'm being very honest with you. I'm talking to you guys as if I'm like your big sister, right? Wholesale is for my small business owners that feel confident that they see their orders coming in here and there, or maybe they have a flow of orders coming in already and they're confident and they want to start getting it. I will say that there's nothing wrong if you just started your small business to at least do one wholesale order, like maybe one big box. There's nothing wrong with that, you know, but I understand you being a brand new small business owner, being nervous about that, right? Because you don't know what's going to happen. I was there. Trust me, I get it. But The price that you're gonna pay for a whole case of these that you could sublimate on and they look so aesthetically pleasing is unreal. I only get my wholesale from Besson. They have a specific website that you have to go through. They're not through Amazon or anything like that, but they have like different warehouses here in California, and then they have some overseas in China, right? Obviously. This specific order, I got it because I fell in love with how they look like online. First of all, these are 17 ounces and these are like coffee mug style. I'm gonna show you a side-by-side comparison. I was actually drinking tea from here. This is an Nespresso glass cup, and notice how small this is compared to that. Comes with their own bamboo lids that are very secure, and it comes with, of course, a plastic straw as well that fits it perfectly. It's not a plastic straw that's super long. It fits this perfectly to the T. And honestly, they have so many different variations when it comes to wholesaling. They have all these different type of cups and sizes and styles. I definitely recommend you guys to check them out if you're ready for wholesale ordering. Now, I know that was a lot of information. I'm so sorry just to dump this all on you, but I've been dying to explain to you guys all the details because I know it's really fun watching my tutorials and seeing me create beautiful things, but it's not fun to always be asking yourself, but how is she doing this? Where is she getting this from? And what type of cups are those? You know, because again, it's not just one cup fits all. There's different type of cups out there. There's different companies out there, and you just got to make sure that you find the right fit for you. I really, really hope that this helps somebody out there. Again, thank you so much for the support on this page. I want to give another shout out to all of my beautiful subscribers on here. You guys are spoiling me with the Buy Me a Coffee app. I cannot thank you so much. Every single day, I'm going to Starbucks and getting a triple espresso because I need it. When it comes to editing, when it comes to making these videos, it is not easy, but I promise to keep on doing it. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like this, comment, share it, save it for later. Whatever you have to do, just make sure that you're subscribed, you have your notification bells on. I want you guys to get the first dibs of every video that I ever make. I love you guys so much.